बुद्धिमान् नीतिमान् वाग्मी श्रीमान् शत्रुनिबर्हणः विपुलांसो महाबाहुः कंबुग्रीवो महाहनुः. बुद्धिमान् सेकंड धास महाप्रणः, नीतिमान् वाग्मी श्रीमान् शत्रुनिबर्हणः is a compound word. Now Shriman ends in n. The n changes to nya, which is the nasal of the cha varga. The Shatru sha changes to Mahaprana cha. So it becomes Shriman Shatru Nibarhanaha because of Sandhi. Vipula Amsaha, Vipulamsaha is a compound word. It becomes Vipulamso because of Sandhi. Mahabahuhu is a compound word. Visarga changes to Jihwa Muliya. Kambugrivaha is a compound word. Now Mahabahuh Kambugrivaha because of Sandhi. Kambugrivaha becomes Kambugrivo because of Sandhi. Mahahanuhu is a compound word. Buddhiman Nitiman Vagmi Shriman Shatruनिबर्हणः Vipulamso Mahabahuh Kambugrivo Mahahanuhu. Mahorasko Maheshwaso Gudhajatruravindamah Ajanubahus Sushiras Sulalatas Suvikramah. Maha Uraskaha, Mahoraskaha is a compound word. It becomes Mahorasko because of Sandhi. Maha Ishwasaha, Maheshwasaha is a compound word. It becomes Maheshwaso because of Sandhi. Gudhajatruhu is a compound word. Dhamaha pranaha. Visarga changes to repha. Arindamaha is a compound word. Gudhajatrurarindamaha because of Sandhi. Ajanubahuhu is a compound word. Visarga changes to su there. Sushiraha is a compound word. Ajanubahus Sushiraha because of Sandhi. Sushiraha, Visarga changes to su there. Sulalataha. Sushiras Sulalataha because of Sandhi. Sulalataha is a compound word. Visarga changes to su there. Suvikramaha is a compound word. Sulalatas Suvikramaha because of Sandhi. Mahorasko Maheshwaso Gudhajatruravindamah Ajanubahus Sushiras Sulalatas Suvikramah. Samas Samavibhaktangas Snigdhavarnaf Pratapavan Peenavaksha Vishalaksho Lakshmivan Chubalakshanah. Samaha, Visarga changes to s. Samavibhakta angaha. Samavibhaktangaha is a compound word. Bhas Mahapranaha. Samas Samavibhaktangaha because of Sandhi. Visarga changes to s again. Snigdhavarnaha is a compound word. Dhas Mahapranaha. Samavibhaktangas Snigdhavarnaha because of Sandhi. Visarga changes to Upadhmaniya. Pratapavan, Snigdhavarnaf Pratapavan because of Sandhi. Peenavakshaha is a compound word. Visarga is dropped because of Sandhi. Vishala Akshaha, Vishalakshaha is a compound word. Peenavaksha Vishalakshaha because of Sandhi. Vishalakshaha becomes Vishalaksho because of Sandhi. Lakshmivan Shubhalakshanaha is a compound word. Bhas Mahapranaha. Now Lakshmivan, the n changes to ny, which is the nasal or the anunasika of the cha varga. The Shubhalakshanaha sha changes to Mahaprana cha. So it becomes Lakshmivan Shubhalakshanaha because of Sandhi. Samasama vibhaktangas snigdhavarnaf pratapavan Peenavaksha Vishalaksho Lakshmivan Chubalakshanah. Dharmagnyas Satyasandhascha प्रजानाञ्च हिते रतः यशस्वी ज्ञानसम्पन्नः शुचिर्वश्यः समाधिमान्. Dharmagnyah is a compound word. Dhas mahapranah. Visarga changes to su there. Satyasandhaha is a compound word. Dha mahapranah. Dharmagnyas satyasandhaha because of sandhi. Visarga changes to shu there. Cha. Satyasandhascha because of sandhi. Prajanam cha. Prajanam ends in anuswara and cha belongs to the cha varga. So the anuswara changes to nya, which is the nasal or the anunasika of the cha varga. So prajanancha hite rataha yashasvi jnana sampannaha is a compound word. Visarga changes to shu that shuchihi jnana sampanna shuchihi because of sandhi. Shuchihi visarga changes to repha vashyaha shuchir vashyaha because of sandhi. Vashyaha visarga changes to sudha samadhiman dhas mahapranah. Vashyas samadhiman because of sandhi. Dharmagnyas satyasandhascha prajanancha hite rataha yashasvi jnana sampanna shuchir vashyas samadhiman.